Imagine owning a piece of BMX history, lightweight, durable, and packed with old-school charm. The Tioga Ultra Dyno Takagi crank is a rare find from 1981 that shaped the BMX world. What makes it so special? Let's unbox this vintage gem. Today, we're diving into a piece of BMX history, the Tioga Ultra Dyno Takagi crank. This iconic crank from 1981 is a rare gem for old-school BMX enthusiasts. Designed for lightweight performance and stiffness, it was a game-changer in its era. Let's unbox and explore what makes this legendary crank so special. Straight out of the box, the Tioga Ultra Dyno Takagi crank catches the eye with its vibrant color options: red, blue, gold, and silver. It's crafted from forged light alloy, weighing just 628 grams with the chainring. Perfect for BMX racing, its square taper design and compatibility with the Takagi chainring make it a must-have for vintage bike builds. The crank length is 170mm, and it supports chain sizes of 1/2 by 3/32 or 1/2 by 1/8. What sets this crank apart is its balance of stiffness and lightness. It's designed to endure the demands of BMX racing while staying lightweight for peak performance. The chain line of 45.75mm ensures smooth operation, while the threaded design, 9/16 inch by 20 threads, adds durability. Tioga's collaboration with Takagi brought precision engineering to the BMX world. The Ultra Dyno crank reflects Tioga's rich BMX heritage. Launched when BMX-specific parts were rare, it symbolized innovation. Takagi, with its roots dating back to 1897, brought expertise in crank design. Though Shimano acquired Takagi in the mid-1980s, the legacy of these cranks lives on among collectors and racers. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more vintage BMX reviews and unboxing. Thanks for watching.